Hey you guys, thank you for tuning in. So today I'll be doing a blue glitter cut crease, and I've already got my eyebrows done, I already did my face, so let me show you guys what I used to do that. I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Ebony for the brows. I use LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn to clean up underneath. I used Matte Poreless Fit Me Maybelline 360 Mocha. Same concealer under the eyes for the highlights. I used Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the color Ebony for the contour. I also use these Cover FX glitter drops underneath my foundation. This is my first time using this. I have glitter all over my face, so hopefully I don't look too crazy when I get done, but I actually like these. I used Sasha Buttercup setting powder. For primer, I use this Maybelline Baby Soft Instant Pore Eraser for my primer. I have on Wet n Wild matte lipstick in the color Blackout. And last but not least, okay, it's not last, I lied, sorry. So I use this Lorac highlighter. The color is Daylight. And I normally highlight here, and my nose, and Cupid's bow. And if you don't know how to highlight or contour, you can watch any of my other tutorials. I do the same thing almost every time. So if you're wondering how I got my face like this, you can look at some of my previous videos. Oh, I'm wearing blush. Not really a big fan of blush, but I just started trying it just, you know, for that rosy, soft, cheeky look. And I actually use Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Volume 2. And what I did was I mixed this brown color. I really mixed these three colors on the top and, you know, hit my cheeks up. Okay, so now I'm going to be, again, doing a blue glitter cut crease. And I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using Afrique, however you say that, by Juvia's Place. And I'm also going to be using a couple of shades out of this Morphe palette. And this is the Artistry palette. So, oh yeah, excuse my hair. I'm gonna fix that. I just washed it and blow dried it, so I'm looking kind of lioness by the head, but we're gonna get that together shortly. Okay, so let's get into this eyes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, you know, talk to me. What do you want to see me do? You have any questions? I talk back, so let's get into these eyes. And I'm gonna start by priming, and I'm using P. Louise base. Blend this out. And I like this base because you don't have to set it like with powder after. It kind of gets like tacky so that your shadows can stick really good. And I'm gonna go in with this blue shade from the Afrique palette. I don't know how to pronounce this, but that's the shade. And what I'm doing is I'm taking some on my brush, then I stamp it in, and that's a good way to build up the intensity. So when you get it at the intensity that you like, then you can start to blend it out. And now I'm going to go in with this color to blend the edges out. I'm just going real light on the edge. As you can see, I've lost some of that blue color from blending. So I'm just gonna go back in there and build that color back up. This is, I'm gonna, if I can open it, this dark blue color here in this Morphe palette, and I'm gonna take that directly into my crease. And for that, I'm gonna use this Eye Crease brush by e.l.f. And as the colors get lost, just backtrack, take the same brush that you used, and go back in with the previous color and just blend out the edges. I'm doing circular motions, windshield wiper motions. Get that blended out. it's time to cut the crease. And I'm gonna use this rumor base again to cut that. So, got my crease brush, got my base on it, and I'm going to tap this on my lid, look up, and that's how you know we're about to cut your crease. What I'm doing is I'm tapping it on in a rounded shape. Then I connect it. This is the glitter I'll be using. Now I'm going to take my Duo Lash Glue to apply this glitter. Try to leave some space at the bottom where your lash line is for your eyeliner. You don't want to put too much glitter down there and then have to go over it with eyeliner and have it looking all bulky and chunky. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using NYX Epic Liner, color black. And I'm just going to do a simple little wing liner. Cosmetics Superhero Mascara.